Hello guys, welcome again. This is lecture 10. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about relational operator, which is related to programming. So now this is some example of relational operator. Here you can see first one is greater than and second one is greater than or equal, and third one is less than, fourth one less than equal, this is equal, this is not equal, and the last one is which is comparing between strings. That means hello string equal this one. So now I am going to my PyCharm. So let's create a new file. Just name it relational operator. So now first of all I am going to take a variable a. Here I just input 30 on it, b equal 15. Now you can compare between these two variables. For the first one, I am going to compare a greater than b. So now first of all, we just run this now, because you have to know what will be the output of this program now. So it will obviously print the boolean function. That means boolean true or false will be printed here. If a is greater than b, then it will be printed true. Here true, that means a is greater than b. If a is not greater than b, then it will be printed false. So now duplicate for others. Just a greater than equal b, here a less than equal b, here I just type a equal b. In the last one I just type a not equal b. So now run the code again. Select the program name. Here you can see our code is successfully compiled and output is here. In the first one, a is greater than b. That's why it prints true. That means 13 is greater than 15. In the second line, that means in the sixth line, a is greater than equal b, which is true. That means 30 is greater than equal 15. In the seventh line, a less than equal b. That it will be false because 13 is not less than 15. In this one, 13 not equal b, which will be printed false because 13 not equal 15. Here this will print true because 13 not equal 15. Here true. So now I am going to compare between strings like this. Just take a print function. Here I just type hello and equal same string hello. If we run the code, it will print true because the string is same. Now I am going to run this code. You can see the output is true. Here the output is true because those strings are same. If now let's check if the string is not similar, what happened. Just change it to capital letter. Now these strings are not similar. Again run the code. Now it will be print false. you can see it will print false because these strings are not same. In this way you can compare between variables or strings. So that's for today.